Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this NOCO Genesis battery charger and maintainer. I'm using it for the maintainer feature on my van here because sometimes I go without driving it for a couple of weeks and it's got some sort of residual drain that it does for, I don't know, cameras or something like that. So, whoops, I dropped everything, but this is what it looks like here. Caught it. Okay, so we've got the plug that'll plug into the wall. We have a long wire. We have this that will connect up into it like that. That's kind of cool. So I could leave this connected up to my car and then just plug it in when I need it. How cool is that? I'll get some zip ties and everything, and then I won't have to open up the hood every time. So what I can do is I can put this onto my positive. I don't know how, but I'll plug it, connect it up to my positive, plug it up to my negative, and then run this thing maybe like up out the front here, and then plug this into it so it'll give me trickle charge and residual charge and charge it up and everything like that. How cool. Very cool little thing, and then it has little lights on there to tell me what mode it's on and everything. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.